Good morning. We're at the train station in Reef, Belgium, getting ready to fly back to the States, to the Keys, to start the 2 months, 8 weeks of volunteering. And it's going to be quite a journey, because first we're going to go to Toronto, and then we have a direct flight all the way down to Fort Myers, which will be a few additional hours than our normal international travel. And I'm pretty excited. I have my bags here, including my huge bag with all my scuba gear, and we're ready to go.
Hi, so update, made it into Florida okay, and this morning went out and bought supplies for the next 2 months. That was recommended because groceries and other basic stuff is pretty expensive in the Keys, so they recommend you get whatever you can and kind of bring it down. So I had quite an elaborate shopping trip this morning, trying to get everything I was going to need. It all fits in one trunk, but it was about 2 months of kind of staples, and then we'll see how everything turns out. So I'm going to start the drive now down to the Keys. It'll be about 3 hours, just under, and check in, and then I already got the diving schedule for the week, and it looks like I'm going to be fully loaded up, so I'll give you a little bit update later.